Hi, welcome to Dashly YouTube channel. My name is Lata and in this video you will see the race of Dashly and Drift. Following the global trend of conversational marketing, both platforms confess the necessity of communication. Thus, they practically do the same job's execution. That's why it will be super interesting to compare them and help you choose the one that suits your business. I see you buying a new car after subscribing to our channel, and you, young man, will find the love of your life as soon as you like this video. So don't hesitate. We've said that these platforms covered almost the same tasks of sales, marketing, and support, and almost is the key word here. According to their positioning, Drift is more about conversational sales, while Dashly is more about conversational marketing. Let's examine common and unique features of Dashly and Drift. Website live chat, a must-have for support and sales. If you want your website to convert, a live chat is what initiates a user into a dialogue and as a result to a deal. Chatbot. This is what saves time and effort and lets people know answers to frequently asked questions without involving managers. By the way, watch our detailed comparison between Intercom, Dashly and Drift chatbots here. Email campaigns is one more tool which will help you to communicate with clients even when they already finished a dialogue and far away from your website. Data tracking. This is one of the most important tools. We don't have to start talking to newcomers straight away. Instead, our aim is just to build a yellow brick road for a user and help him to follow it. And now let's see unique features of every service, and let's start with Drift. Drift has several worth trying things, and the first one is AI chatbot. This is a cool thing which will cover more queries without overloading your agents. But there is one moment that the AI chatbot always needs to be taught, so it's up to you whether trying it or not. And also Captara reviews show that not all customers like this feature. The next feature is Drift Video. You can record and send short videos to your customers as if you're not on the internet, but in the office sitting face to face with your customers. Very personal approach for sales and support, and this must convert better. With Drift Meeting, you can plan and hold meetings, and this is a great tool especially before a demo is scheduled. It is also convenient for those products who are not integrated with Calendly, but Dashly is. And of course, Drift Deal Room. This is the special space where you can start and close a deal, and it is perfect for those companies who don't have a CRM yet. If you have a CRM, this feature is just needless. And now it's Dashly's turn. Pop-up Builder. This is a quick and easy tool to build a pop-up of your dream. You don't need any coding skills, only 15 free minutes to launch a decent pop-up which will bring results. And knowledge base. You can integrate articles and guides to your live chat and chatbot, and as a result you can save time of your agents. You will fall in love with our knowledge base because it will bring you the hottest leads due to Google CEO ranking. Yes, it may work with our knowledge base. With Messenger's integration, you will have one inbox for all the channels you use to communicate with the customers. No matter what you use, live chat, inbox, just like email inbox, Facebook or WhatsApp, they all will be in one window, and this is super convenient, no doubt. So try it! And now let's talk about money. Drift pricing varies from 0 to almost 1,500 USD, and everything depends on the stack of the features you want. And unfortunately, Drift doesn't have a free trial. Dashly pricing starts with 29 USD, and everything depends on your monthly traffic. So calculate your own price, and the calculation link is below. Drift is a platform more for sales. They have great tools for meetings, deals and videos, while Dashly is a universal platform which is suitable both for support and sales. Now the race is over and we see the winner, it's you! So choose your best platform and raise the speed of your sales. Good luck!